For many decades, farmers in the US have faced one critical problem. There just aren't enough hands to go around. Now, technology has been deployed, agriculture has got more machined, right from sowing to threshing to harvesting. But there is one job apparently that only the human eye could accomplish, and that is to distinguish a weed from the crop. Now, AI to the rescue, lasers guided by AI are analyzing thousands of crops at a time and weeding out the weeds, so to speak. Have a look.
On a research farm in New Jersey, lasers are now being used to kill weeds. The machine built by US company Carbon Robotics uses cameras, AI, and high-powered lasers to identify and destroy unwanted plants.
So this would be the G2 laser weeder from Carbon Robotics. We have 4 modules here with 2 lasers on each module killing weeds while driving through fields. Predict camera out here, 2 targeting cameras as well as the lasers in the back end, and then the LED lights around there so we can run 24 hours a day. And then inside each module, which is here, is 2 NVIDIA GPUs.
It can tell the difference between a weed and a crop that the farmer wants to keep. The system works by scanning crops in real time, analyzing thousands of plants every second.
We have over 250 out in the fields, and what it is doing, it is killing weeds right when they emerge 7 to 10 days after planting.
Once a weed is detected, a laser fires instantly, destroying it without damaging the surrounding crop.
That is cilantro. And then you can see right here, this tiny little, that was a weed, that was a weed. You can barely even see that, that was a weed, that was a weed, all at like their seedling stages.
The technology relies on a massive AI database trained to recognize different plant types. Over time, the system continues learning, improving its accuracy in different farming conditions.
So in our large plant model, we have over 150 million plants already labeled, so that when those cameras and the NVIDIA GPUs see a crop or a weed, it pulls from that database to decide if it has to shoot it or not.
The goal is to reduce the need for chemical herbicides while making farming more precise and efficient. Researchers at Rutgers University say early results have been promising. They believe laser weeding could offer a more targeted approach than traditional methods without affecting crop growth.
We have been running the laser weeder in some experimentation here in comparison with traditional herbicide application. And we realized that this kind of equipment is as effective as traditional herbicide. And in addition, we realized that some of these traditional herbicides are still hurting the crop. You can still have crop stunting, less biomass production for this crop when you use an herbicide, and it's something that you don't see when you use a laser weeder.
And this is just one example of how AI is moving into modern agriculture. At some dairy farms, robotic systems are now milking cows around the clock.
We moved to robots to help free up labor's time. Also for cow comfort, cows can go all day, any day, whatever time they want to get milks. They seem a lot happier, and it's helped with herd health, it's helped with managing the herd.
Sensors track animal health, software analyzes feeding patterns, and farmers can monitor operations through their smartphones.